Hello, students. My name is Sarah Mestis, and I am a counselor at Mount SAC. If you're seeing this video, it is because you waited in line to attend a MAP workshop that I was hosting on Saturday, along with my counseling colleagues, and I think we ran out of space. We took your names down, and I've been thinking throughout the week of if there was anything I could do to help, and I came to an idea. So I'm sharing this video to give you a little bit of my idea and to thank you for coming to Mount SAC and for attempting to join us at the MAP workshop. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and give you a little bit of information. So I went ahead and added a map template onto your profile. So if you were in line and the high school outreach team took down your name and information, they gave that information to me, and I went ahead and created a template onto map for you to take a look at. How you find it is you log into your portal and you locate Mountie Academic Plan Map, or you go to Student Self-Service here, Mountie Academic Plan Map, and you click on the link. That link will open up this software. I'm using a sample student here. This software, if your major is correct, it's pretty trustworthy. It doesn't have things like AP scores or dual enrollment or special admit classes, so it may not know that you took any classes outside of Mount SAC. If you did those things, I didn't have that information ahead of time, so I didn't calculate it into any kind of academic planning. But I did want to show you the software and give you an overview of it since you weren't able to attend the workshop. If you can review this section here, you'll have probably no GPA or anything yet because you're new students. If your major is incorrect on the software, you can go back to your portal and change your major here to the correct one, or you can wait until you see a counselor, probably either over the summer or in the fall. What I did is I went ahead into plans and I added a plan based on the workshop for you. So I went ahead and I think these are ones that other counselors have made. You should be able to log in and see a template map in your in this section here. I'm going to click on this one. Let me get past this. Okay. So in this case, there were course suggestions in fall. What I'm going to do is make a new plan from a template so you can kind of see what I did. And this is what I would show you in the workshop. So you can go fall 2026. Maybe your plan was nursing. For pre-nursing students, I usually select this template so that you can kind of see a good view of what it takes to become a nurse at Mount SAC or to get into the program. So in this case, the course suggestions for a brand new student starting in fall in nursing is to take English, a biology. This one right here is like a PE class, psychology. And then what you want to do is ask the counselors about earning maybe perhaps an associate's degree beforehand. This is kind of the general idea of what to take in the fall. I'm going to stop the video at this point because I just wanted to kind of show you what I did, to tell you welcome and thank you, and to let you know that I went ahead and put a little template on your plan. But you can also go in and make your own in this section just by following what I did in this video. Thank you so much.